guys, we just woke up. He woke up and I woke up too. And Daisy, he want to go outside because he want to make poop. And she stay outside for relaxing, you know. See that? Just now he woke up. And yun yung dito. Patapos na po guys. Diba? Oh, ang ganda oh. Oh, diba? Busy sila. Hindi na lang tayo lalabas kasi maraming tao sa labas. Diba? Ang ganda na dyan pag natapos guys oh. Ganda! Diba? Relaxing yarn.
Oh, so tired.
Babe?
I say you are so beautiful, my queen. Look at her face.
This is so feeling.
That's funny.
Oh my God. Guys, magluto tayo ng ginisang gulay. Tapos sahugan na lang natin ng ganito. O, diba? Let's go! Guys, tapos na yung ating ginisang gulay. Ito yung babaunin ko ngayon. Tapos ito, pwede ko palalagyan ng sotahon bukas. So, nag-separate ako para bukas. Sotahon. Tapos ito na yung ulam ko mamaya. Tapos avocado. Sarap! Nakatulog na naman ulit. Habang nanono. Okay, maligo na tayo guys. Para papasok na. Guys, nakabihis na tayo. Pero hindi pa tayo papasok kasi pupunta lang tayo sa basement 1. May kukunin tayo mga package. I'm so excited, diba? Kaya maaga tayo nakabihis. Maya, punta tayo ng work, diba? So, punta tayo sa baba para kunin na natin, guys. Tapos, isa doon, natulog. Iwanan muna natin siya. Guys, ito lahat mga packages natin. O, diba? Excited na akong mag-open. Mag-open muna tayo bago pumasok ng work. Let's go! Okay, guys! Ay. So, mag-open na tayo pa isa-isa. Ano kaya to? Let's see what is this. Para makita natin kung ano yung mga hindi pa natin na-receive. So, I can see what things that I can receive, things I didn't receive. This one is a bubble wrap. Yeah. Oh, this one, the glue. Okay. The glue for the eyelash extension. Glue. Okay, we receive now. Receive. Okay. Okay, 1 point. Oh, this is the bag. I knew it. Ito yung ating bag. Diba? Ito yung bag, ating bag para I can put all the things here. The same time here on the top. On the top, o diba? So when I go to having a clients, I just take only one bag. Okay. Second. Okay. Where is that? So I know if all my packages is I receive already. Okay, second point. Okay, third one. We just, what is this? Oh, all the tapes. This is all the tapes. Tapes for the eyelashes. lashes. Ah, shit. I'm sorry. So, this all I need tapes. I just try tapes for when you do lashes. You put tape on the eyes, right? This all the tapes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I buy 2 pink, 2 transparent, and 2 just like medical tape. So I will try if which the stay longer to stick, you know, because 1 hour for 1 client. So I will try it. So next time I know what I buy already. Is that clear, Char? Okay. Where is the tapes? Okay, tape. Okay, I received already. Okay, this one. Oh, this one, the pads. Pads. So, for when you remove lashes, I need pads. Okay. Pads. This is only 50 pesos. Okay. Okay. And brush for the eyelash. Brush. Where are you? Oh, this one. This is only 27 pesos.
I don't know what that is.
When you do lashes, you need to brush.
Okay.
Yeah, same like this.
Okay.
And this one, the aluminum foil. So when I do lashes on the plate, when I put the glue, I need foil. This is the foil. This is only 12 pesos. What else? This one. Ooh. Who are you, Rosal? You have a lot of packages. It's too much. So guys, this is the other packages, and some of them is still arrival. See, ito po yung gagamitin natin for services for eyelash. So if you want to make your eyes so beautiful, just contact me, guys, and I'll make it, you know. Mas mabuti na pong mag-book sa mga siguradong mga eyelash technicians, and then I'm certified eyelash technician, guys. So let's do this. Oh, yan na yung kalat ko, guys. Okay. Guys, let's go to work now. Na-receive na natin yung mga ibang package natin, mga for sa services natin, guys, diba? So, let's go to work now. O, diba ang cute? Yung iba, hindi ko pa na-receive. So, hintayin lang natin para makapag-services na tayo. Diba? Thank you, babe, for buying me all of these. Thank you. Diba? Siya lahat bumili po ito. Ang mahal-mahal pa naman. Okay, guys, let's go. Be safe, everyone. Guys, ang ganda. They can play. Diba? They play all the kids. Napaka-traffic sobra. Yeah. Akyat na tayo. Yes. 4th floor.
Doors opening.
Stay dito tayo. Hindi na natin pakita yung ating house number. Isang ikot lang yun kanina. Oh, diba? We're home. Ouch. Ikot pa yung ating bag. Init, guys. Oh my God. Okay, we're home, guys.